So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of SPEED to Dr. Gargi for,
Thank you, sir.
for scoring your topmost rank of rank number 5 in MCH ENT group and
Yes.
Making all of us proud and such an amazing results in NEET SS 2023 session. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Can we know little on your background from where you started from your career till date, what all you have done?
Okay. So I've done my MBBS and MS in ENT from Gujarat. I'm a Gujarati. And after that, I gave my first attempt 2 years ago and I had an all India rank of 35. I've always wanted to do fitness. That's all I've ever wanted. So I persevered and then I gave my second attempt last year and I had an all India rank of 24. But it was still not good enough. As we all know, the number of seats are quite limited. And this year I gave my third attempt. I already started doing a fellowship in head and neck onco, so I'd stay in touch. And this year I gave my third attempt and I got an all India rank of 5.
So you are heading towards Tata Memorial?
Yes, definitely, sir.
Very nice. I mean, a great story.
Yes,
From the past. 35, then it was 25, is it?
24.
35, 24,
24.
and 5.
5. Yes,
Wow.
sir.
Great. So, can you tell us what made you going? ENT one when you decided to do a super specialty in head and neck onco.
Okay, so during my master's, there was this one time, the very first time I got scrubbed in on a total laryngectomy, and it went on for like 8 or 9 hours. And I wasn't bored even for a second. I did not feel hunger. I did not feel pain. I was just amazed at the thing that was going on in front of me. And since then, I've always been a head neck fan. The surgeries are very thrilling, the surgeries of head neck. And plus, I've lost a very near and dear relative to see it out. So, if I can make any difference in anybody's lives, that would be the thing to do.
So, can you tell us what did you do for this 3 years to make your rank, upgrading year-wise to make it happen this time within this list?
Yes, sir. So the first year I had a speed subscription and I studied, like I literally sat down and studied. I did not even do a job. I just sat and studied and finished all of my syllabus and all of the speed notes and the lectures and everything. But that year, unfortunately, I had an all India rank of 35. But I think I had already a built up knowledge base. The marks that I had lost was because of silly mistakes, not because of, lack of knowledge. So over the years, it accumulated into more and more knowledge. Like since I started my fellowship here in head neck, I started gaining more and more head neck information that I did not know as an ENT surgeon before. So it's just cumulative accumulation of knowledge over the years, I guess.
So, it is that you are nearing the saturation, what is required for the exam, and you have been migrating towards it. And as both clinically and also theoretically.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. But what is more important is, working simultaneously is very important. Because people will say, not persistent enough, they might lose the target of not achieving it. But
yes, sir.
Be non-focus.
Yes, sir. There were a lot of times I did feel like giving up, so last time when I had all India rank of 24, that was very heartbreaking. So, I understand and I empathize with all of those people who have gotten a rank between 20 and 40. Those people might feel like, they're worth it and they know that they can do it. They've got what it takes. It's just that they've lost a few questions here and there because of silly mistakes. So, yeah, but, you should always hang on. It might happen. Third time's a charm.
Great. So how many questions did you attend in this exam?
I attempted 146.
Maximum numbers.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the message that you want to give to the aspirants or the ENT, MS ENT, and to move on for super specialty head and onco? What is that you want to tell them?
So this is the only message that I have from my journey, that, it might be hard, the number of seats are limited, but if you really like onco practice and if that's what you want to do with your life, do not give up. Whatever rank you get, you just don't give up. You just keep at it and you'll get there.
Very truly inspiring. And of the interviews that I have done today, this is really inspiring to look onto your persistent hard work. That pays off at the end of the day. So on behalf of the entire team, we wish you all the best and all the success to a great head and neck onco surgeon in making. Best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Keep going, inspiring as always like this, how you've been doing now.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Yes, sir.